happening in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I'm Associate Director Ray Nicestro here at 2710 Nashville Road in beautiful Bowling Green. We're about to conduct our ribbon cutting ceremony, but first I'm going to talk about some of the great prizes, the raffles, the giveaways, and of course, hot new jobs that we have coming to this area. So come inside with me, let's take a look at what we have going in store for you today.
My name is Sue Perigin, and I serve this community as Mayor Pro Tem and City Commissioner.
What can Accurate do as far as a partner with the Bowling Green community to help support them?
I tell you what, I'm witnessing it right here. You tapped into our international community, which is robust and very, very excited about taking on jobs. We have lots of jobs in our community. Somehow or another, you've reached that community, and for that, I'm very grateful. So you're doing it, putting people to work. That's what it's all about here. We have got jobs, and more jobs across our region. Exactly what you've got going on here.
Different from staffing companies in the community, just because we want to have that community partnership, we want to have that outreach program, and we want to be an outlet for the community, not just certain types of people, but everybody. And we want to make sure that we're working with community organizations, community leadership, and just really be an outlet. We want to sit down and take the time with each applicant, work through the process. Not everybody has a resume, so we want to make sure that we can help start those stepping stones in those programs for them. Brings that sets us apart from other agencies is the fact that we can do everything. We are like that back pocket cheat sheet that you can use, whenever your internal recruiting isn't going well, or if you just, need temp to hires, direct hires, stretch hires, whatever you need. Like, we're there. We are a trusted partner that can help you with anything.
Well, honestly, when you get a turnout like this, there's a lot to be excited about. When you see the community support this kind of initiative, it's great. This is a tremendous turnout, and really it's a sense of honor that I get when you see this many people that we're going to help their lives and achieve careers, and they're going to move on into better roles, and they're going to move up and better themselves. And really, it's just a sense of honor that I have, and I know the executives have. Here in Bowling Green, we've wanted to be here for quite a while. It's a great location. We've got tremendous support from our clients, and we couldn't have built a better team than we have in there right now. If you look at what they're doing inside, they are busting it. They are working fast, working hard, and doing a great job. So I'm appreciative of them. I'm appreciative of the Chamber of Commerce coming out and supporting us, and the community. That's the best part. Us getting to give back to the community is what it's all about.
At Accurate Personnel, apply today, work tomorrow.